biggest story perhaps of the day. The Congress and Rahul Gandhi have made their demand for a caste census and are writing historical caste-based inequalities their top political focus. But has that switch come at the cost of the party's ever-present secular agenda? It appears there may be an element of conflict in this regard, with senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh sparking a controversy with his comments comparing Muslim community with scheduled castes and scheduled tribes over their education levels and corresponding representation in the government jobs. The former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister was speaking at a meeting with office bearers of Association of Muslim Professionals in Bhopal. He said that Muslims were underrepresented in the government jobs compared to SC/ST communities, even though both had almost similar levels of literacy.
आज भी हमारे आबादी के केवल 74% मुस्लिम लिटरेट हैं और महिलाएं लगभग 60% से कम हैं। और ये काफी शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स के भी अगर आप लेंगे तो उनके लगभग बराबर हो जाते हैं। लेकिन सरकारी नौकरियों में शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट और शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब से हमारे मुस्लिम्स भी बहुत नीचे हैं। ये हम सब लोगों के लिए चिंता का विषय है।
Now, the BJP is latched on to Digvijay Singh's assessment, accusing the Congress of having a hidden agenda behind the caste census demand. Madhya Pradesh BJP spokesperson Narendra Saluja said that this implies that Congress aims to take away the rights from the Dalits and tribal communities and give it to their Muslims. He claimed that this issue had previously also been highlighted in Congress's manifesto. MP BJP Chief V.D. Sharma also trained his guns at Digvijay Singh, reminding him of what former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had said about minorities having the first right on nation's resources.
और दिग्विजय सिंह जी, आप अगर उन दलित भाइयों का, अनुसूचित जनजाति और अनुसूचित जाति के भाई और बहनों को हक को छीन करके मुसलमानों को देने के लिए ये आपके जो प्रयास है, तो मैं आपके उस पौरसत्व को भी चैलेंज करता हूं। आप हमेशा से कहते रहे, कांग्रेस के अंदर आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कि पहला हक मुसलमानों का है। आपके कांग्रेस के बड़े नेता ही कहते रहे कि आरक्षण में मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देना यानी अनुसूचित जाति जनजाति भाइयों का हक छीनना।
Now, just to put things in perspective, listen into what former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had said, to which the BJP is alluding to.
We need to be revitalized. We will have to devise innovative plans to ensure that minorities, particularly the Muslim minority, are empowered to share equitably in the fruits of development. They must have the first claim on our resources.
And BJP is sharpening its attack further while asking what has Congress done for the Muslims. It has further claimed that they only gave riots and poverty to the minority community.
दिग्विजय सिंह ने कांग्रेस पार्टी का असली एजेंडा जो है वो बाहर कर ही दिया। पहले तो दिग्विजय सिंह जी ये बताइए कि अगर मुस्लिम समाज का रिप्रेजेंटेशन कम है सरकारी जॉब्स में, बाकी जगहों पर, तो 65 वर्ष तो आपकी सरकार रही है। इसके लिए जिम्मेदार कौन है? अगर वो सबसे ज्यादा गरीब है, अगर सबसे ज्यादा उनमें गुर्बत है, तो उसके लिए जिम्मेदार कांग्रेस पार्टी है, क्योंकि कांग्रेस ने दंगों के अलावा, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने गरीबी के अलावा कुछ दिया ही नहीं मुस्लिम समाज को।
Govind now joins us for more perspective on this story. Govind, would you think that this is a self-goal by Digvijay Singh?
Yeah, absolutely. It's not the first time, that Digvijay Singh was definitely making a comparison between the SC/ST and Congress community. In case of literacy, they are standing equal to each other. But when we talk about the government job, Digvijay Singh claiming, in fact, by collecting some data, in fact, in which he says that in case of government job, Muslim community is quite downer in than SC/ST caste. In fact, So this is what a kind of controversy has erupted, a political controversy has erupted there in Madhya Pradesh. VD Sharma is attacking on Congress party, on Digvijay Singh, that they are just planning for cutting down, in fact, the quota from SC/ST and to for giving this quota to Muslim community. So these kind of allegations BJP just making on Digvijay Singh, but we can understand that Digvijay Singh was putting some data, in fact, but when he says that it's the matter of worrisome that Muslim are having less opportunities of the job in comparison of SC/ST, so that is objectionable for the BJP party. So here BJP is attacking on Digvijay Singh, and Digvijay Singh, in fact, we also tried to connect him, but he is unresponsive on it, in fact.
All
but
right. So
we
the
can
question
understand
here is,
that
if there are minority community members who haven't got the rights same at par with others, who is to blame for that? And that is what the BJP is also asking. However, stay on with me, Govind, because amidst this political war of words, Digvijay Singh has launched